Working in the process manufacturing industry, you're under pressure to streamline your operations and meet your commitment to deliver all orders on time and in full. But it's difficult to optimize performance when you don't have access to real-time shop floor data, actionable insights, and a fully connected workforce. Aptean Process Manufacturing OEE keeps your most important metrics highly visible and up to date, so you have the intelligence you need and can act with agility and confidence in this dynamic market. We know margins are tight, and that's why we developed our system for equipment effectiveness, with a full suite of features that let you get the most out of your resources and teams. With Aptean Process Manufacturing OEE, you can monitor process efficiency and product quality to help achieve plan attainment, plan and track your labor needs with dynamic shift scheduling tools, automate data collection via integrations with smart equipment and devices, and leverage a dedicated continuous improvement workflow module for even better outcomes in the future. No more information silos, no more concerns over scheduling or crew availability, no more missed opportunities. With Aptean Process Manufacturing OEE, you'll understand and optimize the relationship between your workforce and machinery, increase accountability on the shop floor, minimize idling, short stops, and losses in yield and at startup, and leverage actionable data to improve your asset efficiency and production output.